Hello and welcome to Client-Side Web Development Lesson 27, Part 3. Today we're just going to go over, I know I didn't show the full JavaScript or the CSS, see how everything ties together. We'll go ahead and do that now so you can put all the pieces together. Okay, so for the the JavaScript, here is the top of it. These are all, as you can see, all the variables that we declare, and they're really just grabbing the elements like the login button, registration button, all that. We're grabbing the elements by the ID on the button. So things like from the login page. So if you go over to the login page, this is login button, and then you go over to the login page. There's the login button, right? So it's detecting those kinds of things so that we can set listener on these. So when you click on the button, the listeners fire. So again, we go through all these through here, just grabbing all the elements by ID so that as we go down here, we can do different things. So this here displays the error message. So it passes in the message that's going to display, and then make sure it displays it in the error element, which I believe I defined up here. And then we have a function to hide the error here. We have the a function to handle the logout button click. Same thing to handle the login button click over here. And then we have the handle register button click. See, there's a whole bunch of stuff. Down here, we're just checking to see if there's values in all the fields. And then we display an error because all the fields are required. So here we have the password ones, city, street, city, state. And we'll go down all the way down here to zip. So you have the zip, mail, and then here you have the rest of your logic there. Okay, and then we're setting certain variables in the local and the session storage. Then lastly, we have the initialization function. So we have init, the init login, the init register, and the last piece is the Star Wars API function, which actually goes and calls the Star Wars API, brings back all that data that populates the form. Okay, so hopefully that is a good overview of the JavaScript. Let's go back to the CSS. We have the navigation unordered list, navigation unordered list item, list item anchor over here. We have the hover, the active. A lot of these are the same ones that we've used before. And then we have our footer, and I think the new ones are these login labels, register labels. We have stuff for the login button. Login form, we don't have anything there. But we do have things for the login submit here. Login, text input, register, title. Then we have different things for the checkbox container, checkbox div. I know this might have been left over. I don't even think we need this one. There's a text area label, register button, and then the error formatting too. Okay? So that should give you a good overview of the code. So hopefully that'll help you with your homework exercise. Again, if you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe. And until next time, see you later.